My name is Amelynn. I'm from Tanglin Secondary School. I got to know Ace Your POA from one of my seniors in school. I find that it's very efficient and it's very effective as well. Other schools will take about 2 to 3 weeks to complete one chapter, whereas for Ace Your POA, Mr. Quack will take about 2 lessons to cover one whole chapter and it'll be very effective. Mr. Quack will go his way out to send us the papers, like for example during circuit breaker, he'll drive to everyone's house and pass us the materials that's needed for the lesson in order to prepare us for our upcoming examinations despite the circuit breaker. Yes, I think Ace Your POA would be the best option for you to go to if you're actually struggling with POA because it's so efficient and very effective. I personally feel that the materials is very condensed and it's very summarized as well, so it makes it very easy to learn and to absorb. Thank you for being the best POA teacher. Thank you Mr. Quack, thank you Ace Your POA.